Dance time. It's almost your recital. You're almost done with dance for the year. Is that crazy? Seemed like it went by so fast. I can't wait to watch your recital. Do you know your dance? Do you know your dances? Yeah? Okay. So wild that this year is coming to an end. Well, not 2022, you know, but like the school year and dance and all those things are coming to an end. Running Layla to dance. And then when we get back, I'm going to show you what I've been working on upstairs on my Glow Forge. I just love that thing so much. And I make such random things. And I always think, I'm going to make this and sell it. And then it ends up taking me like hours and hours and hours. And then I think, could I really make enough to sell? I don't know. So I'm going to show you what I've been working on. And you guys tell me what you think. I'll show you when we get back from dance.
I got Starbucks.
What'd you get?
A frappuccino.
A frappuccino. Layla's taking forever to get her shoes on. I'm just kidding. So I'll show you something that I have been working on. Casey's friends lost their dog who they love so much, and it broke my heart for them. So I've been wanting to make something special for them in his memory, and I thought of a few different things. Then I saw on Glowforge's Instagram that they posted this little bulldog that someone had made out of different layers of wood, and I was like, that is what I want to do. I need to figure out how to do that. And I worked on a file, and I know this wouldn't take everyone this long, but I worked on the file for like a week. I'm not kidding. It took me so long because I wanted it to be just right. I cut out some things and it didn't work.
And guys.
So I resized things and I cut out a prototype out of cardboard before I wasted wood. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. I did change a couple things after I got it all made. So this is obviously cardboard. It will be cut out of wood, and then the wood will be different shades to match his coloring. But I'm so happy about this. I'm gonna add another piece down through here, I think. And then I think I'm gonna do the nose a little different, just because I think like the nostrils are protruding and I don't want them to protrude. I want them to not protrude, like natural nostrils. Other than that, I'm really happy with everything. Obviously, it's harder to see the detail with the cardboard, but I'm really happy about like how far it's all like sticking out. And now I'm really nervous to cut it out of wood. I'm like, oh my gosh, okay, it's really happening. I think I want it to be a little bigger than this. And I'm either gonna make a frame or I'm gonna go and see if Hobby Lobby has any nice wood frames.
I love
It was really fun to make, but also like challenging my brain in ways that my brain isn't used to being challenged. Technology, not good at it, but I'm learning. Okay, you ready? Are your shoes on? Are you finally ready? They're a little early. So anyways, let me know what you think. Let me know if you can tell that this is a dog. Let me know what kind of dog you think this is.
It's a bulldog.
This is not a bulldog. Look at his tongue. So cute. Okay, let's go. Did you leave the door open? Yes, you did. Layla, my kids never shut the door. Okay, they forget. We're back from dance. We stopped at Hobby Lobby to get some paint. And somehow I did this to one of the paint bottles. Not really sure how. They were all in this bag. And I think I must have like hit it down too hard and it just popped that lid right off. I love the color, so I'm gonna go up and try to find another bottle to put it in. But we got some pretty colors. It was Layla and I both picking out colors, so I feel like we got a lot of very similar colors, but I'm sure we'll use them for something. I'm sure of it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on while I'm looking for a bottle that I can clean out. I have some old paint that I don't use. One of the first things that was sent to me were some paints from Martha Stewart, but they were like different paint and I still have them. They're probably not great, and I think they're for like glass or something. But this is what I've been working on. Everything is a disaster up here. I cleaned not that long ago and it's a disaster again. But I made this cute little puzzle. You guys know I'm very into puzzles. I also made that one for Lenny. I'm working on this one. And then this will say little, like Lil Monster I just wanted to try out a few different things. So I've been painting these, but isn't that the most adorable? I just love puzzles, I don't know why. So this is what's happening over here. It is messy. And I realized that I have 0 hacks for hand painting things. It takes me about 95 years, and when I get done, I'm like, is this just gonna all chip off? Because it feels thick, but it needed to be that thick to cover. I mean, I guess there is this thing called Google and or Pinterest, and I could look on there and see. But that's what I've been up to, just making cute little monster puzzles. I really would love to sell puzzles. They're just something that I found that I really enjoy doing and making and creating. So that's something I was thinking about doing, also like little monster DIY kits and little maybe fairy garden kits. So let me know if that's anything that you would consider purchasing. I also made this for Elliot. How cute is that? I'm excited. I thought about maybe doing like a pre-sale to see how many things would sell if people were interested. So let me know what you think. I know I've asked you guys a billion times, and I know I've showed a billion things and been like, what do you think about this? But I just think that if I want to do something like that, I need to get serious about it. Oh, I made this for Logan and Morgan's baby, Brooks. It's so cute. I've also been working on this sign for Brooks. I just keep messing up on little things. It's driving me crazy. But I think the painting is done. I'm just making an acrylic sign to go on it. I could literally sit up here and paint and craft all day, every day. I love it so much. But it takes so much of my time that I feel like I need to do something with that hobby instead of just sitting up here, and then I make things and then they just sit up here. You know what I mean? Also, I got a package today and it almost made me cry because it's just so sweet and thoughtful from Markel and Jess. How cute are these? I had these slippers that I bought and I lost one of them. I don't know where it is, but these are the greatest slippers ever. If you're looking for any, these are hard on the bottom and just the most comfortable. So she got me more. These are adorable. We were talking about these when they were here last. I'm so excited. How thoughtful and nice is that? Thanks, guys. Bray Bray! So pretty. We didn't do the braid. She decided she didn't want it. So pretty. Listen, I do think that maybe that necklace, no one will notice that you wore it to the last one. I do think you need it. I think it will add to it.
It looks almost a little bit
Too bare.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
You need a little bling, just a
Yeah,
little.
just a little bit.
Pin my dress like this.
I have a few. I have one. Let me bring them all back.
Okay, yeah. So pretty.
Oh yeah, that was cute. Yeah.
Let's look at your makeup. It's so pretty.
Love it. Love it.
My skin's a little dry from the hot pools.
It doesn't look dry. Looks really pretty. This is a Charlotte Tilbury, like, real skin or something, and it's really pretty. That eyeshadow long, yes. And then she did this new.
I already
lip
licked it
gloss.
off my lips from eating my caramel apple.
This one. This is pretty. I like this a lot. Well, you can put some more on. And we're just waiting because we're ahead of schedule. And we also decided that she needed a little necklace. We didn't think originally because we liked this neckline so much. We didn't want to take away from it, but then it looked a little bare. So.
I'm gonna do my ears.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Layla did her own makeup. She did this eyeliner on her own because she's a little pro. She didn't do Braylee's today because she was getting herself ready. And she has to run her dresses with Braylee, except for opposite.
So my mom's gonna pin it down.
The last boutonniere we had a magnet and this one doesn't. Dun dun dun.
Where are the pins?
Right
I
there.
can't stop the pneumatics.
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out how to do that.
What does the band look like on this?
Well, that's pretty.
It's kind of ugly.
That's not ugly.
I hate that they put green.
I like the green. I like how the green
I
is
like
dark.
the green too if I had different color
That's pretty.
shoes.
Why? You look beautiful. Are you excited? Really has a headache, so that's a bummer. Just had a headache since last night. Oh, you need lip gloss.
It wasn't working. The one's like, it doesn't work. You look so
There they
pretty.
are.
Hi,
There they
Layla.
are. Look at
You
that bow
look pretty.
tie. Nice. Braylee has a new date. This is not the same.
I buzzed my head.
Yours is shorter. Right, good luck, Bright.
I'm sorry if I said
No, it's all good. Ah! Perfect.
perfect.
That does look really pretty. I love the green with it.
Okay, you gotta say it.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna
Do what you want to.
We can leave and run away.